Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be learning about a codeless test automation tool known as LeapWork. And Ajay is with us today, and he'll be taking us through this tool and explaining us how to use this codeless test automation tool for all the automation needs. So let's get started. Now, Ajay has already asked me to create an account, so I created an account. It's a trial account, guys. LeapWork is giving 14 days of trial, so I just signed up for that, and I received an email from them, and then I just clicked on the link from the email and have been taken to this downloads page. Now I need to download this MSI file as mentioned by Ajay, so I am going to do that. So it's getting downloaded, guys. It's going to take time. I'll pause the video and then resume it once it got completely downloaded. Looks like the file got downloaded successfully. Let's install Ajay. So guide me how to do that. So I'm going to the folder where it got downloaded in my machine. So I'll just do a double click. Let's see what will happen next. Yeah. Okay. The installation started. Okay. I got this wizard. Yeah. I'm just going to click next.
Click on next.
Then next.
Next, you need to take a where you want to save the LeapWork assets,
This is
path.
fine. I am okay
Right,
with the C
right.
drive thing.
Okay, then we can move forward.
Okay. Then
So actually, uh, you are an admin user. Okay. Can you just open it again? Okay. So you
uh,
can just write the password.
okay, fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Just give the password.
Mm-hmm.
What about this?
You can just keep a copy. Like you can just save it in a notepad if you have.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is actually uh, talking about it. It will be needed if you ever need to restore the database on another computer.
Okay.
So we do not need that.
I have to make it private or public? Can anyone see this, or like this should be kind of secured kind of thing? What I have to do?
Right, right. That's true.
Secured kind of thing, right?
Right.
So we'll do one thing. I'll pause the video
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll save it somewhere in my notepad or something. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. I'll do that. So I'm just saying next again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's giving me something. So I need to save somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Done. What next?
You need to just click on next.
Okay.
It,
Windows
it should be
log.
like this only.
Yeah, fine. I'm just going with next then.
Yeah.
Hmm.
If you want a short menu shortcut on or in desktop, you can just make a
Yeah,
check and
fine.
click on next.
Yeah, that's fine.
Click on install now.
Install. Okay. It will take some time to install.
Might be, yes.
Okay. Fine. It's going on installing.
Mm-hmm.
So the leafwork has been successfully installed. I'm just clicking on continue, Ajay.
Yeah.
Uh, to complete the installation, we need to configure your Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer will be launched and then closed. Please do not close it manually. So shall I continue, Ajay?
Yes, please click on the continue.
Okay, fine. It opened something. Internet Explorer has been opened as mentioned. So the IE browser got closed automatically and I see a kind of dialog here, Ajay. So I am saying okay.
Okay. So this means our Internet Explorer add-on is running successfully, and we can
Okay,
start our LeapWork Studio.
fine, great. So I'll click on finish.
Mhm.
Okay, it's asking me to restart my machine.
So we can make it no, no worries, because it can open up.
Okay, if
Uh,
you want to plan manually restart later, okay,
right,
I will say no for now. Okay, so
right.
that the session will not be disturbed. Fine. So what next?
So we need to. It must have created a like LeapWork Studio shortcut on desktop, and from
This is the
there,
one.
okay, yeah, this is the one, right? So you can run this as administrator if you can see that.
Yes, I'm doing that.
Okay.
Selected it. I got a user access control. I'm selecting yes. It has to launch.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, allow
Mm-hmm.
access. Yeah, it's launching now.
Mm-hmm.
So the LeapWork has successfully launched. I am giving the password of this admin
Mm-hmm.
and just logging in. Yeah. So the controller has not been activated with a controller login. Okay.
So actually, no, we do not require license key as it has been written here. Please
Hmm.
click on this link to get license key, including for trial. So we need to click on this link as we are a trial user,
Okay, this is a trial thing.
right? As it is written,
Yeah,
including
yeah,
for
it
trial.
got
Yeah,
yes, correct. So
right,
I'm clicking on this link then.
right.
Somewhere. Okay. Again, I need to log in.
Yes. This is the same username and password which when you are actually trying to download this LeapWork Studio, so you
Hmm.
need to use the same username and password.
Okay, I'm doing that. Okay, I got this key.
Yeah.
Copy
So
the license key, I guess, and
right,
then come to here and paste it.
right.
Then I'm saying okay,
Yeah.
done. Continue.
Awesome.
So here goes.
All right. So we are done with the installation process. It's a bit long, but yes, it's fruitful as we are logged into the LeapWork Studio.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
So
So
Ajay, you can take the control and you can start because let me give a small heads up. Like here we have the test cases.
mhm.
Okay, you can either use the registration test cases as a sample thing or login test cases, whatever you feel. So I suggest you to go with the register
Okay.
test
Okay.
cases.
Mhm.
And the application for this test cases is demo application is this one. Let me open that application also here.
Mhm.
So I'll open that. So this is the application
Mhm.
we can automate, and this is the functionality, register functionality. So and the test
Okay.
cases for this register is here. Okay. So if it's all good, you can get started.
Fine, fine, fine. I can start. Like I'm just checking whether I got the access or not. Okay,
Okay.
now I got that you are controlling our motor screen. Fine. So this is our first flow. So we can start. So start is our. Uh, I'm just checking whether I'm able to click on it. No,
So
I do not have control, Arun. You need to look at it once.
1 minute. Let me also check from my side. Okay. Do it now.
Let me see. So
Can
I'm
you?
not. No, no. I do
You're
not
able
have.
to move the mouse actually, but
I can move the mouse, but I'm not able to click anywhere.
okay. 1 minute. Give me
Oh,
the
wait a minute. No, no. I just got one thing. Just give me a minute. I'm just clicking here. Now I'm just.
Hmm. So if it's not working, I'll do that for
It's
you.
not working. Yeah, yeah. You need to look at
Yeah.
it.
Tell me then what exactly I need to do now.
So what you need to do. So start is the our first point from where we actually start our test automation using codeless automation.
Okay.
So this is the building block from where we need to start. So we have it right away. So
Okay.
now what we need to do, first of all, we need to open the web browser. Okay. So on which
Fine.
web browser you need to open our web application.
Fine.
So let's right click on the canvas inside the canvas, like, yeah.
Here.
Click anywhere, like aside, yeah, right here.
Hmm.
So now we need to add the building block. So
Okay.
click on add building block.
Done.
Now you need to search for start web browser or click on web.
This one.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
So can we see start? Yes, we can
Yes,
see
I
start
see.
web browser.
This one.
Yeah.
Done.
So now it's automatically taking Chrome. Yes, we would
Yes.
be taking Chrome
Yeah,
first.
we'll go with
So,
the Chrome first. Okay.
right. So now we need to just give the web address of our URL where
Okay.
we are going to
Yeah.
register.
I'm copying from here then.
Exactly.
Yeah, fine. I pasted it also.
Right.
Then next. What next?
So now next you need to connect this building block with the start. So you need to just it's like just align both the building blocks in parallel. Can you do that? Can you go on start
This
web
is what
browser?
you are saying.
Yeah, you can just drag it and can paste. Exactly, exactly. So now
Okay.
just click on start, like the start green button. Green you can see. You will find the green dot on start when you will hover it. Yes.
Yes.
So now just connect the green dot to start web browser green dot. Right,
Okay.
right.
Done. Okay.
So now we are connected.
Yes.
You can just drag the start web browser little far away from start so that users can see the arrow.
Okay. Done.
Fine. Great. So now what we will do is, so after reaching to this web address, what action we are performing? Can you just make me just go through that? Like, just can
Yes.
you?
First thing
Yeah.
is like we have to open this application URL. That's the
Right.
first thing.
Right.
Then we need to click on this My Account and then select this Register option. That are the
Exactly.
next
Exactly.
steps.
Exactly. So what we need to do is here. So on we need to click on my account. So we need to have an XPath. So
Hmm.
let's go back to LeapWork Studio now.
Okay. Going.
Okay. Yeah. So now what we need to do, we need to click on web element. Okay. So that is web
Yes.
element, my account. So just
Yes.
do the same thing as we did for start web browser. So we need to
Add
add
building
the
block.
building block, right?
Okay.
And now we will like we need to click a web element. Then click. Can you search for?
Yes, I got it. Click
Yeah,
web
exactly,
element.
exactly. Click web element. We need to click on it and just get this. Yeah.
Done.
And can you make it connected again with the
Yes,
start
I'll
web
do.
browser?
Yes, I'll do that.
Okay. Now click on select web element to click. So now we will click on it. Just click on it.
Yes,
Yeah.
I clicked on
On
it.
the yeah this select web element to click this watermark. Just click on it.
Yeah, I clicked on it. It's taking some time.
So it will open our URL
Oh, okay.
where
Yeah.
we need to find the XPath of that element.
Okay. Okay. It opened it. So what I have to
Okay.
do next?
So now yeah. So you can see this target icon. So you need to just hover
Yes.
over my account
Mm-hmm.
and click on it. Yes.
I clicked on it.
Yeah.
So did it capture? Yeah, it captured. Yes, it
It
captured.
captured my account. So
Yes.
so this is the great thing about LeapWork. Like you can see the which element web element.
Hmm.
You can visually see which web element this LeapWork is going to click.
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
So
Okay.
now we what we need to do, we need to click on web element.
And then this register option
Yes,
should
yes.
come up and
Like
then we need to select this one now.
right, right. We need to do the same thing for register.
Okay.
So our next section would be click web element because we are clicking it again.
This one?
Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. We need to open
Click
the
on the
another building block.
yes, I have to add another building block.
Right,
Same again, click web
right,
element.
right. Click web element.
So can I keep it here?
Yeah, you can keep it here, or what I would suggest you can just make this canvas little small. Like you can do it if you can see below. Like yes,
Like this.
exactly. Or you can just just make this yeah, that's really fine. You can just make it small
Okay.
so that we can show to our end users like a whole diagram. So you can connect this element. Yes, so it can be
You
expanded, so
can
we can
expand.
just
Yeah, this is
yeah,
good.
yeah,
This is good actually now.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Fine. I'll connect it first.
Right. Then again we need to do the same thing. So you need to select web element again. click web
Okay.
element. Yeah, click here. Now
Yes.
what you can do, yeah. So you got register. So you need to click
Mm,
on register now.
done. Yeah, it
So
came.
yeah, it came. So now till register we have clicked. Now the page will open.
Yeah, like it will open like this, right?
Right, right. So what we can verify here,
So
the
we can do one thing. We can add the details, enter the details into these fields, and then click on continue. So the account will be created.
yeah,
Or
we can do
we
or
can actually do one thing. We can simply provide the account details. That's it.
yeah, or before that, if you want to know like whether you are landed on the register page or not, you can also verify
Yes.
it. You
Yes, we
can
have to do
verify
that.
the
I think it's better to do that.
right, right. So let's actually capture the register account and see like we have landed on the right page. Okay,
Yes. I'm adding another block then.
right,
So here not about click, right? So this
so
time we have to verify.
right. So
So
we yes.
is there
So
any
for that you
command
can
for doing that?
at the moment we can use find web element if we get that find web
Yeah,
element and
I got
yeah,
it. I got it here.
we can
Find
click
web
on it.
element.
Yes.
Yes.
So we can find if this is present or not. Okay, that
Okay.
register account ID is present or not. If that is present, then also we can say yes, we are on the right page.
So I'll select this one. Or
Exactly.
this
No,
one
no,
is also
register account would be better because it is the heading page, and I think
yes.
this text will remain in the register page only.
Okay, done. I'm selecting this one.
Yeah.
Okay, done.
Can you just expand it little more? Like I can't see the like. No, no. I mean to say you can just you can expand the box as well. Like
Which one? This
by
one?
clicking. Yeah, by yeah.
Oh, okay. This much of okay.
This is not required. You can just collapse. Like you can make it again. The okay. Just click on collapse at the bottom of the building block.
Okay, collapsed it.
Can you check if you can? Yeah, you can
Yeah,
increase it. Yes, like this you can expand it from bottom. Can we do that?
I'm seeing that. I'm just seeing.
Okay.
So only right side I'm getting, but bottom I'm not getting because
Okay, no. So what you can do, Arun, you can just zoom here.
yeah,
Now,
better to zoom, I guess.
better to zoom. Okay. Yeah, yeah. This is fine. Okay.
Okay.
So we can you can go ahead like
Yeah,
we can.
I'll make it like this size for now. Okay.
Hmm,
So
hmm.
otherwise I cannot go this
So
side.
next what we can do as we have find the web element. Now what we
Hmm.
can do, we can enter the data like first name, last name, email, telephone. We can do that.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So we can
So
enter the details, right?
right, right.
So let's enter the details. I think
Hmm,
they will take a lot of time. Rather, we can go with a different path in this scenario where, uh, because I already created an account with this application, I
hmm.
know that. So I'll directly want to go from register account page to the login page, and then I would like to log in there. That will be
Yeah,
better,
then
I feel.
then then also we can do that. Like
So
so
I understood like I need to actually locate this, click on this thing, right?
exactly. So
So
now we are done with we have find the web element. Now we are just making sure we are clicking the login page link from
yes,
that page.
yes, correct.
So we need to just
Click
click
web
web element.
element
Right,
and then select these, and then I'll select this login page. Okay.
right.
Okay.
Just connect these building blocks again.
Yeah, I'll connect it. So
Mhm.
easy to use.
Yeah, it's very user friendly. Like for everything we have different building block,
Okay.
and we can move forward.
So after clicking on this one, we'll be taken to the login page. Here I
Right.
want to enter the email address and password and login.
Exactly. We can do that.
So I'll create another building block.
Mhm.
Add building block. I need to click on do I need to click inside that username field here? Email address field, or it's like
So
directly we can
actually,
enter?
it's a text box, and we need
Um,
to actually use another building block.
mhm.
So just open another building block and
Yes, I
write
opened it.
search for type web text. Click on web element. Do we
Web.
have type here? Yeah, you can see in the bottom above use browser window.
Where is that?
Below start web browser, can you just yeah go
Use
down. Yeah,
browser window.
before that type web text.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me find.
Before
Yeah, type
yes,
web text.
correct, correct.
Okay, got it.
So now what you need to do, you need to select the web element like of the text box, and there
Mhm.
what value we need to pass, we can pass.
Okay, you can pass the text here and then we can select the
Exactly,
web element here.
exactly.
Done.
Right.
Okay, here I will have to pass the text, right?
Exactly, exactly.
Let me increase the size. Okay,
So you can pass the text value.
yeah, done.
Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to type, we need to just pass password now. And
Okay,
so we need to do the same thing again. We
mm.
need to create another building block, which is named
Yes,
as type
same
web.
thing web, and then same thing like this time password. We have any other thing, or this is the same thing we have to use
Same
type?
thing we need to do, but we can select another property like what we are trying to pass, because
Okay,
we should not show our password. Okay.
yes,
So
yes.
what we can do is just first of all just align it with the another type web text and just connect it.
Okay, I
Right.
connected.
Click on expand.
Okay, shall
Okay,
I?
this is fine. This is fine. Click on
Mm,
password.
mm.
So now just click on expand. Yes.
Okay,
And here, what kind of text we are passing? So you can select that. So you can see the type drop down. Yes. So we are
password.
passing password.
Okay,
So
got
now
it.
it will not show your password. So this could, we can't, like we are very safe. Like we can't show
Cool,
what password we
great. That's great.
right. So
Collapse
now,
it and
yeah,
expand it. Okay,
yeah. So now the next thing is we need to click on login button.
login button. I'll do
So
that.
again, we need to create another building block. Yeah.
Click
So
web
click
element.
web element, right? Right.
Okay,
Login. Okay. So by this way, we are logged in into it, and
let's replicate the same thing here and
yeah,
see what exactly we need to verify after the login.
yeah,
So we can verify this my account, right?
yeah. We can verify my account. Yeah,
So I'll do
Bec-
that.
because this my account will only we will get when we were logged into this web application.
Yes, find web
Find web
element.
element. So yeah.
Cool. And so what happened here?
So you need. I do not know. On are we on the same page?
Maybe the password we have given is I may have given a wrong password, maybe, right?
Oh, so actually we need to what we need to do. Just go back there.
Mm-hmm.
Just go
Where?
back. The last screen we got.
Yeah,
Yeah,
here.
you can do the capture mode off here first of all, because we need to now capture the next thing. So we can click on it. Yes. So
Okay.
now nothing will be captured here. So we can perform
Enter.
our operation. We can
Okay.
log it.
Okay. Yeah, it got
Now,
logged in.
yeah. So now you can start the capture mode on and can capture the my account.
Yeah, this is very good.
Yes.
Okay, it got captured.
And so
Maybe
now,
there may be some problem with this thing, right? So somewhere I
yeah.
have given a wrong email address or password.
Okay.
This looks good for me.
Yeah. Actually, see, after clicking on the web element, it can just take us to the web application. As
Hmm.
it didn't automatically do the login for you. That's why it was
Okay,
open,
okay,
and we
got
can
it.
perform our operation.
Fine, fine. Maybe the
Yes.
credentials are correct only, so there is
Right,
no
right.
problem in this.
So
Okay.
now we can make it, one test case which can we can show pass. So now
Yes.
we will be clicking on, we will be adding a building block named as pass.
Okay. So where exactly what exactly I need to do next
So
after
click
doing
on
this?
add building block again.
Add building block.
Yeah, and we need to just search for pass. Can you just type here in this?
Okay.
Yeah, pass.
Okay.
So we
Directly I
got
need to start typing, right? So okay.
right, right. But I don't think that it appeared. Yeah, we got this pass. Can you just click on it?
Where is that?
Pass, pass. Below this, the third one. Yeah, can we click on it? That
Okay, this one.
yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
So like we have start, we have green symbol for start. We have green
Mm-hmm.
symbol for pass.
Okay, got it.
So now what we can do, we can just run it and you can just make it, yeah, this is great. So we can just show the whole diagram to our users.
Yes.
Little
So
bit.
how to scroll this side is not possible.
Uh, to
Maybe this
show
is the one. Yeah, I got
this
it,
is
got it.
this is the
This is
one.
the
Yes,
one. Okay.
this is the canvas where we can
Yes,
scroll
yes.
anywhere.
I thought like, what is this? Now I got the functionality. Okay.
Great.
So this is the start,
Hmm.
and this is the pass,
Yeah,
ending with pass.
right. So now what you can do, we need to run it. So you can click on that play icon if you can see that.
Okay, where is
Mhm.
that?
In the
This
bottom.
one? This one?
Yes, yeah, you can
Okay,
see run flow is the name of this icon. We
okay.
call it, generally call it play.
Shall I do? Shall I
Yes,
click on
yes,
this?
yeah, definitely.
Okay. Where exactly it's running?
Can you see if any Chrome browser has opened?
Yeah,
Oh,
it
now it's
opened.
running.
So
Yes,
it
it
took
takes.
some time.
Yeah, it took some time.
It's like a record and playback with visual testing combined, it seems.
Right. So now
It's done.
it got failed. We need to see. We need to debug where it got failed.
Okay, let me check.
Mhm. So we got failed. Okay. So error, we can read it. Web element was found but not clickable. So actually,
This
Arun,
is
what
a
has happened?
this is the block which got failed, I guess. Click web element.
Right.
So this is the one, right?
Okay. Okay. I got it. Why it got failed? Because this browser windows not opening in maximize mode. So
Okay,
when I think, can you just open your URL, that URL we have passed tutorialsninja.com demo in non-maximize mode? Can you just open it?
let me do that. So let me log it out. So it's
Yeah. Yeah.
already logged in, logged out. Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
So you want me to resize, right?
Right, right. Oh, can you see that? Like the my account
Yes,
icon is different when it's not in
yes.
maximize mode.
When in maximize mode, we are getting this my account,
Ah,
but
so that's why it's not able to search and we
oh,
are
okay,
getting failed.
fine, fine, got it.
So now
So
what we will do? Yeah, we will select again and in the non maximize mode. So can you click on my account again?
this one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Under click web element building block.
okay. I clicked on it.
Mhm.
I think okay. I just clicked,
No,
but
you
I
need to actually move to
okay. I need
switch
to close
edit
this,
mode.
right?
Right. Yeah, you need to close it. Now it's telling you switch to edit mode. Now we
Okay,
can edit this canvas.
done, got it.
Now we need to capture new web element because yeah, that's entirely new web element in non maximize. So
Okay,
yeah, you can see this. So we need to
okay.
click this. Yes,
So I need to select this option instead.
exactly.
Done.
See, this is different from my account text.
Yes, correct.
So
So
now
shall I
I
run
think,
it?
yeah, yeah, you should run it again, and I think there should not be any issue now.
Okay, let me run. Yeah, yeah. It's working fine this time.
Wow,
Yeah, cool.
awesome.
Yeah,
The
flow
flow
is
is fast.
passed. Yes, cool.
Great.
Very great.
Yeah,
So looks like we landed like how to use this tool and all.
yeah.
So I have few doubts. Like so this is good. This is all good. But
Hmm.
my doubts are like this is one test case we automated, right?
Right.
So we need to automate more test cases. Like how we are going to organize these test cases in this editor. That's one
Okay.
doubt.
At the moment, actually, you can't reuse this. So this is the
Mm,
first flow, and
okay.
likewise, we need to create multiple flows.
Okay.
Like if you can create, like, can you just go to my first flow?
So can we
Yeah,
rename this to
yeah.
something?
You can rename it. You can rename it.
Okay.
Just right click on it,
Okay. Yeah,
and
there's an
yes,
option.
right. So you can say you can write test case one or whatever you
Login.
find. Yeah,
Okay.
login
Login
test case.
test case. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Done. Cool. Looks good. So
yeah.
why is there some option to save?
So actually, whatever changes you are doing in Canvas, you can
Mm.
save it. So you can see an asterisk icon over login test case. Can you see this
Which
on
one?
the
This
top
one? This one?
on the top left
On the top left.
in the Canvas only in the Canvas only?
Here only. Okay.
You
Mm.
can see asterisk icon. Sorry, asterisk.
Which icon?
Uh, yeah, you can just hover over login test case. Hover over login test case. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
So you can
Okay.
see that. Yeah, this is, we call it
Asterisk
asterisk.
symbol. Asterisk
Right,
symbol.
symbol,
Yes.
symbol.
Yes. Correct.
So this is unless we click on save, it is saying that we need to save it. Changes has been done, so we need to click save,
Okay. I need to save. Done.
or you need to just provide your comment like what changes you have done, so that if a person want to look at the version history, they can see what changes have
Okay.
been done.
Okay. So we have actually created a test case just now, right?
Right, right,
Created login test case. Okay.
right,
Initial version, I will say otherwise.
right,
Done. I'll save it.
right.
Cool.
Yeah, so this is done. And
So
next, yeah, yeah,
likewise, we can create more test cases, I guess, right?
exactly.
So
We can create that.
so here, if you have to create again, we have to say new, and then
Click
we
on
have to
new,
create a
and then
new flow.
you will get a new flow, and you can just rename it
Okay,
and then
this is all
start
good.
working like that.
Great, great. And other thing is like you see when you have selected this option, right? I've
Mhm.
seen a lot of options here. Like, can we
So this
explore few options of this tool so that we can understand what exactly?
definitely, definitely. So sometimes what happen, Arun, like as you have clicked on the right, can you just do the right click again on
One
the
minute,
same icon?
I'll actually collapse this one so that
Mhm.
it will be better.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now tell me.
So you can just click on this icon and right click on it, So this is edit web element. Okay. So capture,
Mm.
like we have captured a
New web
new
element.
web element.
Just now we did. Yes.
Yeah. If you will click on it, it will land, make you to land on the tutorialsninja.com. There you can capture another new web element, but we
Yes.
do not
Correct.
need to do that as we have just.
Yes. Yes.
So
Now we
now,
got the proper web element.
right, right. So now we can, if sometimes it happens like we exactly want proper XPath like which we create generally. So you can
Mm.
click edit web element,
Okay.
and you can see that like there are a lot of options, like it's the LeapWorks studio is already giving us, in the left hand
Yes.
side, like
Yes.
to for finding the same element, so
Okay.
you can look at it like which best option you want.
Okay. These are the options, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you
So
can
I
select.
can select any option if I want. Like if some
Right,
option is not working, I can go with other options that LeapWork is
right, right.
suggesting.
So this is the
And
best
then,
way you can, debug your.
okay.
Sometimes you get failures of not locating the element. You can locate these things,
Okay.
and this is a very good functionality given by LeapWorks. Even I
Hmm.
liked it, like to make your work easier, and
Okay.
yeah, so you can do that.
So even we can provide a XPath of this of manually, or it's like a show XPath option is there here.
Can you click on it? Yeah. So show XPath is the same, like what we
Okay.
find from the developer tools.
Okay. Got
Yeah.
it.
So you even let's yeah, validate. So of course, it's
Yeah, it's
showing us.
validated, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
It's working fine. That means
Exactly. So you can
cool.
confirm, double confirm yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So this is the way we work. So this is
Fine.
a very good thing, like very
Yes.
very.
Yes. So
Yeah.
you can update all the things and then get the things working, right?
Right, right.
Fine. I'll just close this.
Hmm.
And what else we have? So
So these are the major things. If you get clear web
yeah,
element,
these are
like
fine. These are like basic understood things.
right,
And you
right,
see each and every what do we call this? A block has a lot of expanding options. Like
right, right, right.
so, I think we can explore them and see like what exactly we can do and all. Shall I?
Yeah. So yeah, yeah. So for start web browser, you just click on expand.
Okay.
So you can see like what window mode like we have opened. Can you just click on the normal? No, no. So first of all, yeah, from browser start, we can look like on which browser
Which
we
browser
can
we want
open
to
it.
run it? Yes.
So we have every browser here, like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Edge, IE, which is the basics
So if I
we
select Firefox here
Firefox.
and
Yeah.
run it, it will run on the
It,
Firefox now, right?
exactly, exactly. Uh,
Okay.
on Windows, it does not give you Safari because Safari can only be run on the
Yes,
Mac, and
correct.
that has a separate download. So that's why
Okay.
it's not showing.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Okay.
So now let's say we have opened up a window in a normal mode. Like if you want to just click on the window mode drop down.
Okay.
So if you want to get it in the maximize mode, we should have clicked on it.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So if I run this time, it will run in the
This will
maximize
this
mode.
exactly, exactly.
But
We
this
can
time it
show
will fail because
right.
we are clicking
We,
some other thing now, right?
right, right, right. So now it will fail because our
Yeah, it's working fine. Maybe the icon is still there.
exactly, exactly.
So it's okay. Got
It's
it.
locating the icon. Yeah.
Yes,
Awesome.
got it. Got it. Then
So
fine. So there are a lot of other options also
there are
here, I
lot,
guess.
if you want to just one more important, like we generally use, there are a lot of options we can use and explore as well, but
Mm.
sometimes we have a habit of giving timeouts. So here we have the best option, default
Okay.
timeout, which in default timeout will always be checked.
Okay.
We need to uncheck, and then we need to give our times, and this time is in seconds.
So it's
So
like we will be waiting for the tailment to appear or something, right?
exactly. Sometimes,
It's a default
like
timeout.
when we are hitting a URL, it takes a lot of time to open. So
Okay.
from here we can manage. We can provide a default timeout.
Okay. Instead of 10, default is 10 generally here.
Default is 10. Yeah.
Okay. So we can change it to whatever we want. Like if the application is taking a lot of time, then we can change it to 30 seconds, right?
Exactly. Exactly.
Cool. So the maximum wait time is 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Cool. So this is like start browser, and we don't have to do any action here.
Yeah, no, so this we do not need
We
no
don't have to
action
do any
because
actions, I
yeah,
guess.
yeah.
Yeah. So coming to the
Just
web
but this
elements.
yeah, but that start test section is mandatory because it will
So
show like
whenever
from
you
where
create a new flow, by
it
default you
will
will get the
yes,
start,
by
right?
default you will get start.
Okay.
Yeah. It actually guides the user like from where your test case is going to start.
Oh, great. Fine.
Okay.
So then coming to the web elements, are
Yeah.
there any different options here or the same?
Again, I would say, like Arun, so basic thing know like default timeout will always be there, and there
Hmm.
are many things like you mean to there are many things we can look
We
at
don't
it.
have to worry that much. So
Right,
if
right,
really required, we have to use, right?
right, you're right. That's true.
Cool. So most of the options we already explored then in that case.
Exactly. So they actually is a Power Pack tool, and they have given everything like which like when a user can face
Uh,
during finding an element and clicking on web element. For every building block, they have an expand option, and there we will find relevant functions of that building block,
yeah,
which
got
is
it.
useful.
The more you automate the test cases, the more you will learn on the process.
Definitely, definitely, definitely.
So fine. And other thing, like I see on the left side, a lot of options are there, like reporting, dashboards, and all those stuff. Can we check
So
them right now, or it's like it will take some time, or what
we will
exactly
we
is?
will cover it like we will write few test cases, then we can just go through it one by one. So
Hmm.
run list is always like it is so we can run all the test cases in a go, so
Hmm.
rather than running it individually.
Okay. So
Reporting
can
will
we
not.
do one thing instead of like, because we already showed in this video like how to record a test case, right? So
Mhm.
again, if we spend a lot of time in creating another test case, will take a lot of time. So rather,
Right.
what I want to do is I want to copy the same test case
Yeah,
multiple
yeah,
times, and then we'll go with the options if
yeah,
that is the
definitely.
case. Okay.
We can do that, we can do that.
Yeah, I don't want to waste the time. That's the only thing. Okay.
Right,
So
right,
because if the user is able to understand, like if the other like end users are able to understand what exactly this tool is, that's enough, right?
right,
So
right.
that's the intention. So do I need to copy?
Yeah, you can
I'll
copy.
copy and we'll do one thing. I'll try to run the same test
Run
case
list
in
in the
Firefox browser.
different. Yes, yes, yes.
Paste it.
Yeah,
I'll say copy.
yeah.
Copy,
You can
right?
make a duplicate.
Duplicate, yeah.
Yeah,
Duplicate and I'll rename it.
yeah. It automatically renamed. Like it came as. So yes, you can just give the Firefox.
Firefox, I'll say. Here I'll say rename as Chrome.
Right,
For now, let's consider only two test cases in our thing. And
right,
here I'll change it to Firefox.
right,
Done. Okay.
right. Yeah.
And save it. Created login test case for Firefox. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Save. That's it. Done.
Mm-hmm.
So now we got the two test cases ready. So
Mm-hmm.
can we run together one by one? Continuous. Or we
Uh,
have to.
so as of now, you can just run. Can you just right click on the Chrome one?
Okay. Right click.
Hmm. So it always give you like so run now is there, and you can run. You can see the add to run list. Like so if we talk about we need to.
Okay. Add to
Yeah,
new. Add to
yeah.
run
So
list. Add to new. I
yeah,
have to
but
select
actually we
this.
have not created a run list. Let's create one run list and add
Okay.
there if you want to run
So
it. Okay.
okay. From here we can create, right?
No, we need to go to run list once because it is showing like if run list is present, then it will select.
Okay.
Okay.
So what I have to do now?
Just go on the left hand side below flow. Just go to run list option above reporting.
Oh, this one, right?
Right, right.
Okay.
So you can create a new run list
Okay.
like yeah. So
Like
you can
let's say smoke. Okay.
right,
Smoke
right,
test cases.
right.
This is fine.
This is fine. So
Hmm.
so this is the actually it is asking to add the flows. So let's
Hmm.
say like we want our test case to run in two
SQL.
browsers. So let that is our flow. Okay, so we can
Yes.
add both the flows there. So we have created two flows, we can add here. So can you click on add flows?
Add flows.
So we are getting the number of flows which we have created in the flow
Yes.
section. So
Okay.
we got both. If you want to run it one, you can select one, and if you want to run all, so you can select all, like you can select both, like
Okay.
one by one. It
So
will it
add
will
and
like that.
again add flows and then add, right?
Right, it
So
will add
two
below it.
flows. Okay.
Right, right, you can save it.
What is this one?
You can just like You can just name this step one and like run login test case in multiple browser, like because we are
Mm,
login.
okay,
Yeah,
in all browsers or something.
all
Okay,
browsers. Yes, you can say
save
that.
it. Okay,
Please save it. Now
done.
what you can do, just so we have our smoke. So we, like in smoke test cases run list, we have two test cases or two
Yes.
test flows we can run. Can you
Mm.
just right click on smoke test cases?
Okay, right click.
Okay, so we have it. No worries. So just like we need to run it. So let's see how we can run it. Uh,
Maybe we can go to the flows and then right click and then say, okay,
so
smoke test.
you got that smoke test case, like where we have
We
actually
can
added.
select this one.
Uh, yes, yes, it's already there. So we just only need to run the lists. Like it is asking. So of course we have added. Then that's why it's saying us skip this flow. Or if you want to add as duplicate, you can add as a duplicate. But we do not need that. So we can
Yeah,
just close it.
yeah, fine. So here, how to run these two test cases together?
Yeah, so that is a thing we need to figure out. So
Okay,
can you just click on the canvas now? On the canvas, yeah, on the canvas. No, no, go to run list. Right
okay.
click here,
Mm.
anywhere. Just below this, like just run here. Right click. Okay, so okay,
Okay. So this is nothing but the run list, right? So
right,
maybe,
right.
okay, so new run list, new folder is there. Okay, so what is the purpose then? Okay, fine. So yeah, this is the thing, I guess.
So
So,
so we have created two login test cases as of now,
mm,
two flows we will say in terms of LeapWork Studio. Now
yes,
let's go to run list. We have added the name of one run list which is named as smoke test cases, and we have added two flows.
yes.
Now to run it, we need to click on schedules.
Okay,
Okay.
let me click.
Actually, this run list is basically meant for when you want to, just schedule it for a later run. So we can do that. That's a good,
Okay,
yeah, that's a good thing they have given
so let
to
me click
do.
on new schedule once. Let's see
Right.
what's coming up.
So now, for running a schedule, we need to give a title of the schedule.
Okay,
You can give some random title, schedule
okay,
one. Okay. So we what we need to think about is trigger. So trigger have two drop downs like on demand and schedule. So on
mm,
demand means it will run instantly.
okay,
If you want to, so that we know, like
yes,
now click on schedule. Schedule will give you like at what time zone you want to run, the start time, and like this, like what time you want to
okay,
like give a schedule. You can select any random time, like you can increase decrease based on what when you want to run it.
okay, got it. Mm.
Okay, so let's go back to trigger on demand. Like
So if
we
I
have
save
clicked on
it,
schedule.
if I
Likewise, you can use,
no,
yeah,
if I try to save it, is asking me to
agents.
configure the
Actually, yeah,
agents.
yeah. So
Mm.
can you click here, agents?
Yes,
So actually, we need all the agents. So you can see the left hand of LeapWork Studio that we have an agents section as
yes,
well.
yes.
So I would recommend you to just go there. And as I know,
Okay,
like there are multiple agents like browser stack. Uh, yeah, so you can see soft slabs, Selenium grid, elastic, lambda test. We all can. So these are the agents through which we can run on. But for
okay,
that, like we need to configure it. Like, can you just click on browser stack? Like we can show like how it can be configured. So this is a
okay,
complex thing, like if you are like logged into browser stack, you can give username and access key,
okay.
which we generally get, and these platform we need
Yes.
to,
Once you
yeah,
create an account with browser stack, you will get some username and access key.
yeah,
So
yeah,
then your test will be connected with the browser stack.
exactly. So you can, if you will configure this agent, then these agent will appear in the run list section,
Okay.
which
When you run them, they will your test will be running on the browser stack, the cloud platform.
exactly, exactly,
Okay.
exactly, and we will
Fine.
get
So
pass here, yeah,
simple thing is that all these test cases, if you want to run together, the thing is that we have to create the run list like this, and
right,
then we do schedule it, and then configure the schedule with the agents,
right,
and whatever the agents we configured, whenever the time comes, your test will be together running in all the things like this. Okay. So
right,
cloud platforms like browser stack or source lab, whatever we configure.
absolutely,
So that's a high
absolutely,
level, I guess.
right, right,
Fine.
right.
I think that I think we cannot show in this session.
Yeah,
People can
that's a long
learn.
long thing.
That
Like
is
we
a long
can,
thing we not show here. That's fine.
Right.
Understand. So what else we have apart from this
So,
agents,
so, so,
running
all,
list and all the
so
stuff?
whenever you run cases, we always need reports like how many test cases we have run, how many test cases are passed, and how many test cases failed. So we have a
Yes.
very good option here. Like you can see in the reporting on the
Mm.
left hand side. Can you just click on the reporting section?
Yes, correct.
So it gives two things like all time results, like since when you are using the leap work until what time you have used, it will give you all the results. And
Mm.
results by flow this week is explaining like this week how many flows we have run, and it's a
Okay.
little, yeah, so it's a subset, it's giving us uh, little less information like whatever we have run, so which
Okay.
is helpful us because we can select the date and what we have run. So you can see today we have a login test case Chrome,
Mm. Mm.
so sam or flow, so we can see how result, like how many time it has been failed, how many time it has been passed.
Yes,
So it
correct.
failed earlier. If you can just click on the third row from the
Mm.
top,
This one?
and yeah, just double click on it.
Okay. Okay,
So you
it's
can see the video as well, like where it got failed. If you want, you can just run this video like to show our users like
okay. Play flow run.
yeah,
Okay, we can
please,
see the
yeah,
video. That's great.
yeah. So it's showing you what under which circumstance it was running and where it got failed. So
Nice.
it will show you. So red dot tells us the test case has been failed due to some
Yes.
configurations,
Okay.
uh, and green, it has been passed. So
Okay.
we are getting direct reports, and which is very which can be understood by layman, I believe, like because
Cool.
which is very clear.
That's great.
So this is a great feature. Like you do not need to worry about the reporting while running your flows in the LeapWork.
Yes. So
This is all
automatically
about,
all your
yeah,
reports are like
yeah,
there
yeah,
for you.
yeah. If you want to export and share it with anyone, you can click on export on the top. If you can see that on the top right,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. If you
Okay.
will click on it, you will definitely get if you want to save in HTML or so to share like what test case you have run.
Okay, done.
So yeah, so
We
that's
can
what we
export the
can
reports.
yeah, exactly.
Cool. And we can directly
So
share also. Okay.
yeah, you can share it as well, which
Fine.
is, yeah. So reporting is awesome in LeapWork. Like
Yes.
we are getting every results here, which is a
Yes.
great thing.
Mm.
Ultimately, we need like
Cool.
to tell how many test cases we have run and how many test cases are actually working.
Yes.
So now moving on to dashboards, I think we are left with that dashboard only. So dashboard, you always know, like dashboard always give you some high level things. What you have done. So in terms of bar graphs, so you can see. So
Yes.
how many number of times our login test case have been failed, which we have already seen in reports as well. It was 4. So if you can just
Yes.
scroll down, so you can always see the number as well. Like failed in under failed. So it's showing you 4, which is correct.
Yes.
So this is how like
This is a
dashboard
dashboard
is
pattern
prepared.
kind of things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pattern kind of thing you can get exactly.
Okay.
So yeah, so you can see the today's trend. So it is also giving you time taken, like how much time has been taken,
Hmm.
to like. So this is a unique thing, at what time it was running. So you can see the like this 8626 we have run today. So it
Yes.
is showing you that,
Hmm.
which is
Time taken is 16
great thing.
seconds. It's showing. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. It's
So
passed. Okay. Fine. Got
it's
it.
passed, so
Yeah. It's
which is
great.
again
Great.
very good. Yeah.
Total
So
how many
at
times
the moment
passed,
we
how
have,
many times failed, and all those steps are coming in different patterns. And
right.
yeah. Cool.
So this is actually we have run about 2 test cases, so it's very less information. When you will run chunk of test cases, you will get lot of
Proper
information here,
reports.
and
Yes.
it
Once we
and
use this tool to a lot of extent, then we'll get more good analytic kind of reports.
right.
Fine.
Now moving forward, like to know more about this tool, as it's not very small, it's a very big tool, and which can automate a lot of things. Like it can automate web application, desktop application.
Oh,
It also
wow.
does SAP automation. So a
Wow.
lot of things are there, and we, of course, we are not able to cover everything in single day.
Yeah,
So
this is fine to get
if you
started with this
if
tool
you
actually. Whatever you
yeah.
explained or
So
guided is like that will be enough for getting started with leap work. So anyhow, the tool exploration will take a lot of
exactly
time. Complete tool means.
exactly if you want anything, any like you want to just go through many things, like say if you are facing some issue, just click on support. Can you click on it in the left hand side bottom section?
This
Yeah,
one?
yeah, please click on it.
Okay.
So here you will get like how to do the installation and configuration articles they have written, and how to use the building blocks if no one knows what's building blocks about, and
Okay. Basic
what are
facts
the
and all
common
those stuff.
errors and resolution. Yeah. people
Okay.
faces.
Okay.
This has also been written. Apart from that, if you want to, explore this tool, they have very good documentation. If you can open the LeapWorks separately in the another tab, can you do that?
Okay. Let me do that. Yeah. Tell me.
Can you just open the leapwork.com? Yeah, searching will also work. So yeah, test automation, RPA. Yeah, just hover over the resources, and you can see the learning center documentation knowledge based block. So we actually mostly use three things from the top, like learning center documentation. So you can just, after clicking on learning center, you will land like from where you can, just see like let's at the moment we were doing web application automation. Okay,
Yes. Correct.
so you can click there.
This one.
Hmm. Exactly. And you can see the introductory lessons they have given and the videos they have provided, so that you know uh, a person who do not know about anything about codeless automation, they can go through it, um,
Okay.
video by
Mm.
video. Just can you just click on start lesson, so that we can show our users or viewers that how they can learn this tool. So you can
Okay.
see
The
the very
videos are
brief
available.
video.
Okay.
Yeah,
Fine.
yeah, videos are
Good.
available.
Great. Great.
So yeah, so you can perform basics things here, then you can
Okay.
create always
We can simply learn from here and then implement the same in our tool, right? Simple.
exactly.
Great.
So
Great.
this is very
This
good
looks.
thing, like they have provided very good support, I would say.
Yeah.
So
So a lot of information is there. Like, if you have to really use this LeapWorks, you can come here and use it. That's it, right? And learn from here and
exactly,
use it. Okay, great.
exactly.
And fine. So yeah, this looks good. This looks good. So one general question I have, Ajay, like,
Yeah, tell me.
so you have gone through a lot of codeless test automation tools, I guess, so far,
Mm-hmm,
right?
mm-hmm,
So
mm-hmm.
apart from LeakWorks, you also worked on some other codeless test automation tools. So
Yeah.
what do you think about LeapWorks, and where does the LeapWorks stand when you compare with this tool with other codeless test automation tools?
So, my views on LeapWorks is actually, apart from this wonderful tool, they have provided very good information about the tool. Like, if a person is new to codeless automation, they
Hmm.
have provided everything, and they can learn a lot of things through the videos, through the learning center they have given.
Okay,
And even they have given, like, if you have any doubt, you can create ticket on that, and you can do the thing. Uh,
okay.
so that's the thing,
Yeah,
like,
that's fine. But I just want to, like, whatever the tools you have used so far, other codeless test automation tools. So do you think LeapWorks is kind of better, like so far, like whatever you
I
see?
liked it, I would say. I can't say it's better, but I really liked it. The
Mm,
way they have told,
mm.
the way they have actually given information, and
Information
the
on
way they
how to
have
use
prepared.
and how to, okay. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
not about the
yeah, yeah.
tool, but also the kind of documentation they have given or
Yes,
learning
yes,
resources they have
yes.
given. It's far
Uh,
better, right? Compared to other
Exactly,
things. Okay.
exactly. So when I started, I was not aware of anything about LeapWork, but when I went through their learning center,
Hmm.
I felt, like, I can, master this tool through the documentation they have provided. So this is
Great.
the best thing which motivates me to learn the LeapWork and implement on my projects.
Okay.
And I think this is the best thing they are providing at the
Okay.
moment. So we can
Okay.
say in that term, yeah, LeapWork is the tool which we are looking for, like to work
Okay.
on in a
Yeah,
codeless
there is no
automation
problem
environment.
actually. So because there
Right,
is enough amount of documentation and all resources available. So
right.
if you have to start automating your project at your company, then you can easily suggest leave work and get started without any hurdles or headaches, right?
Exactly, exactly.
Cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Fine. So, and another question I have here, like this is the last question.
Mm-hmm,
So generally we have to write the code, right? In general
mm-hmm,
test automation tools like Selenium or whatever the tools like WebDriver IO or whatever. Okay. So we generally write some code, and here
mm-hmm.
in LeapWork we are not writing any code. Do you see any disadvantages when compared? I mean, at your level, like when solving the problems or solving your agenda is to automate the application at the end of the day. So
Mm-hmm.
so there is a thing like you write the code
Mm-hmm.
and you automate to get that level, or
Mm-hmm.
here you will use LeapWork and then automate. Here you don't have to write the code, right? So what difference do you have you seen, like while writing the code and automating, and without writing the code and automating?
So again, like when you write a code, actually, I would say this is a very good question you have asked, Arun. I
Mm,
appreciate that. So so yeah, so actually in codeless automation you are not able to understand the, like you're not deep diving like how things are working, you're just using building blocks and
Yes.
moving forward.
Yes.
So somehow I'm just thinking that I'm not learning anything apart from adding the building blocks.
Yes.
So in when we do code, so we actually get to know like what how things are working, and we stuck with real time problems which this tool has, you know, has overtaken.
Hmm.
So which is a great thing about the codeless automation. But again,
Okay.
if you want to learn like how to automate, so uh, so you know, like I prefer to go with the coding methodologies which we are following from long.
Okay.
um, but again, you know, like
It depends
these
on the requirement basically, like
exactly.
how much time you have for automation and all, right?
Exactly.
If
So the
less
time
time
is
is
fine.
there, yes, time
Yes,
matters.
you can just time matters, and you can like if you have less time, you can go for codeless automation,
Mm.
because you can easily learn and you can create a script in a single day as well, for
Mm.
2 to 3 flows. But if you have a new tool with the new coding language, you need to learn the language first, then you need to explore the tool. So that I feel it can't be done in a single day. So
Yes,
that's the
correct.
major problem you will face while
Hmm.
coding,
Okay. Okay.
and where this tool, you know, like actually helps us and makes us comfortable to start from day one.
Yes. Okay. So
Yeah,
one more difference I see here is like pricing. Like here you cannot get leave work for free, right? So you have to pay some amount here as part of the license, and then only we can use leave work, I guess.
exactly. So pricing is the main concern here, but again, when I could say, you know, like
When there is a
when
need, we have to go with this. There's no other
exactly,
way. So
exactly.
so
So
depend
again,
on it.
I will compare, you know, like let's say so again, you know, like I always prefer one thing, like we can't compare, you know, like the less time you are giving here, then more costlier the thing is, you know.
Yes, correct. It all
So
depends on the things. Okay,
exactly, that's
situations and
why.
all.
Yeah. So
So I think we are done. That was a great demo of this tool LeapWork, so that a lot of people can actually go through this video and then they can learn just in 1 or 1.5 hour, like what exactly the LeapWork is all about, right? So how beautiful
exactly,
this tool is all.
right,
Fine.
right.
Thank you, Ajay. Thank you for providing all the information on how to use LeapWork and sharing
Thanks,
your
Arun.
knowledge on LeapWork here.
Okay, thank you, Arun.
Yeah.
I hope
So
you liked it.
yeah, I liked it a lot. Okay, so I can simply play for 1 or 2 days. The next
Yeah,
1 or 2 days, I'll play with this tool.
yeah,
So to
yeah.
see like to what extent I can, because you already shared all the resources, right? So from where I can learn and then okay automate myself. Fine, that's very good. I can try it for next 2 or 3 days and then see to what extent I can go.
Great.
Yeah,
Good to hear that.
yeah. Thank you, Ajay. This is fine. We are done with the session. So see
Thank
you
you,
then.
Arun.
See you.
Yeah, see
See.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.